this is the multiple choice question on progressions. That is, if A, B, C are in harmonic progression, then we need to find the value of this product. And these options are given to us. We have to check which option is correct. So we need to find the value of this product. And what is given to us is that A, B, C are in harmonic progression. Now there is a result that if A, B, C are in harmonic progression, then 1 divided by A, 1 divided by B, 1 divided by C, these are in arithmetic progression, right? And what is the condition for the terms to be in arithmetic progression? The difference of these two terms is equal to the difference of these two terms, right? So the difference of these two terms, that is 1 divided by B minus 1 divided by A, is equal to the difference of these two terms. That is 1 divided by C minus 1 divided by B. Or we can also write this as, taking this minus 1 by B to the other side, we get 2 divided by B is equal to 1 divided by A plus 1 divided by C. Or 1 divided by B is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by A plus 1 by C, right? Please mark this as 1. So we are going to use this equation 1, which is in many forms, to solve this product, right? Either we can put the value of 1 divided by A in this product, or we can put the value of 1 divided by B, or we can also put the value of 1 divided by C in this product from this equation 1. So let's solve this product for all these three cases. First, we are going to put the value of 1 by A in this product. And what is 1 by A from the first equation? From this equation, we can get the value of 1 by A as 2 divided by B minus 1 divided by C, right? Let's substitute this value. So from the first bracket, we get 1 by B plus 1 by C as it is. And using the value of 1 by A, that is with negative sign, so it is minus 2 divided by B plus 1 divided by C, right? Into, in the second product, 1 by C as it is, putting the value of 1 divided by A as 2 divided by B minus 1 divided by C minus 1 by B as it is. So from here we get this 1 by C plus 1 by C as 2 divided by C, and 1 by B minus 2 by B, this gives minus 1 divided by B. And from the second bracket, 1 by C is cancelled out and we get 2 by B minus 1 by B as 1 by B. Solving this further, we get 2 divided by BC minus 1 divided by B square. So this is the first value we are getting by putting the value of 1 divided by A in this product. So for 1 divided by A, we are getting the 1 value to be as 2 by BC minus 1 divided by B square. Now in the second case, solving this product by putting the value of 1 divided by B from the equation 1. So we are going to use this value of 1 by B to solve this given product. That is 1 by 2 into 1 by A plus 1 by C. So from the first bracket, we are getting 1 by B, just putting the value of this, it is 1 divided by 2A plus 1 divided by 2C plus 1 divided by C minus 1 divided by A. And then for the second bracket, 1 by C plus 1 by A as it is, and putting the value of 1 by B, and it is minus sign over here. So this is minus 1 divided by 2A minus 1 divided by 2C. So this is equal to, alright, 1 divided by 2C plus 1 divided by C gives 3 divided by 2C. And 1 by 2A minus 1 by A, that gives minus 1 by 2A. From the second bracket, we are getting 1 by C minus 1 by 2C, that gives 1 divided by 2C, and 1 by A minus 1 by 2A gives plus 1 divided by 2A, right? So taking 1 by 2 common from the first bracket and also from the second bracket, we get 1 divided by 4 as common from both these brackets. So this is 3 divided by c minus 1 divided by a into 1 divided by c plus 1 divided by a. Solving this further, just multiply 3 by c first to this and then to 1 by a. You get 3 divided by c square plus 3 divided by ac, and then multiplying this, minus 1 divided by ac minus 1 divided by a square, multiplied with this 1 by 4, and 3 divided by ac minus 1 divided by ac gives 2 divided by ac. So we are getting the another value for this product by putting the value of 1 by b, that is 1 divided by 4 into 3 divided by c square plus 2 divided by ac minus 1 divided by a square, right? Okay. And then at last we are going to use the value of 1 divided by c to solve this product. So from these similar equations, let's get the value from this, that is 2 divided by b minus 1 divided by a, right? So from the first bracket, we get 1 divided by b plus putting the value of 1 by c over here, we get 2 divided by b minus 1 divided by a minus 1 divided by a. And from the second bracket, putting the value of 1 by c over here, we get 2 by b minus 1 by a plus 1 by a minus 1 by b. So from 1 by b plus 2 by b, we are getting 3 divided by b minus this is 2 divided by a. And from the second bracket, we cancel these two and we get 1 divided by b. So multiplying this 1 by b inside, we get 3 divided by b square minus 2 divided by ab. So this is the third value we are getting for this product, that is 3 divided by b square minus 2 divided by ab when we are using the value of 1 by c. So we have solved this product in 3 ways by putting the value of 1 by a, 1 by b, 1 by c. So we are getting 3 results. Now let's check the options. So the first option, 2 by bc minus 1 by b square. Are we getting this option? Let's check. So yes, we are getting this option by putting the value of 1 by a. So first option is correct. And then b part, 1 by 4 into 3 by c square plus 2 by ca plus 1 by a square. Yes, we are also getting this option from the value of 1 by b. Yes, we are getting this. So B option is also correct, and also this C option is also correct, right? All right, thank you.